Welcome to the Southern Flavor Kitchen, where everything we cook is full of flavor, baby. So today's video will be a eggnog bread pudding, and here are all the ingredients we'll be using. We have milk, eggnog, salt, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, vanilla extract, rum extract, powdered sugar. We have our French bread. We have our eggs, and we have regular sugar in the back. If you'd like to see this full video, please stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. Hype me up. If you're new to the channel and seeing this for the first time, please subscribe to the channel. Once you do so, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Let's jump into our eggnog bread pudding recipe. Alright, my flavor squad, so we're going to jump into the first step of this video for our eggnog bread pudding recipe. We have 2 loaves of French bread that's kind of stale. You know, you don't want to use no fresh bread. So I'm going to dice some of it up. I'm not going to show y'all the whole process because I don't want to bore y'all to death. So we're going to jump into it, and the goal is to get at least 10 to 12 cups of cubed up bread. Alright, so this is what our bread look like. I'm going to finish cutting this up, then we'll move on to the next step. Alright, my flavor squad, so I have all my bread cubed up right here. We're going to move on to the next step of this recipe for our eggnog bread pudding. We're going to go into our bowl with 4 eggs. We're going to whisk our eggs. Alright, so we got our eggs in. We're going to go in with a 1/2 cup of milk and a 1.5 cups of eggnog. That was our 1/2 cup of milk. Now we're going to go in with a 1.5 cups of eggnog. We're going to go in with a 1/2 cup of regular white sugar. We're going to go in with a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a teaspoon of rum extract. Alright, so we added our teaspoon of vanilla and rum extract. Now we're going to go in with 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Not sure I understand it.
Alright, so we're simply gonna give this a mix.
Seems brighter now than before. I don't know why I feel this way, but every time I hear your name, all my worries disappear.
so we're gonna move on to the next step. So y'all stay tuned. We have our bread that's cubed up, and we have our eggnog mixture for our bread pudding. I'm gonna pour some in here. Then I'm gonna mix it up a little bit, but I'm gonna be careful because I don't wanna tear up the bread pieces.
And I don't fall in love so easily, 'cause I don't wear my heart up on my sleeve. Yeah. I don't know if you feel the same, but every time I hear your name, my worries disappear. It's all because of you, yeah. I feel the way I do. You make my dreams come true, yes you do. It's all because of you, because of you, because of you.
Alright, so we're gonna spray our pan that we're gonna put our bread pudding in. Then I'm gonna pour this in here, then pour the rest of our mixture on top. Just doing this for like a little texture, you know, have some whole pieces and some pieces that broke down. And we're gonna go in with some white chocolate. Alright, so we have our bread pudding. We're gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. And we don't want to over bake it because we still want the center to have a little wiggle room. So when they get ready, we'll be back.
What is trouble in your mind? Are you doing business to test me?
Alright, my flavor squad. So we got our eggnog bread pudding out the oven. We baked for 40 minutes. I'm gonna give y'all a close up. I'm also gonna let this cool off before we put the icing on it.
I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you.
Alright, my flavor squad. So we got our bread pudding over here in the cut. We're gonna make a eggnog icing. We're gonna keep it simple. Just rum extract, a little bit of vanilla extract, eggnog, and powdered sugar. Simple, easy, straight to the point. Just like that. And we want it kind of on the looser side because we're gonna pour it over. Alright, so we got a cup of powdered sugar. I think I'm just gonna go in with the rum extract. So we can move that out of the way. We're gonna go in with 2 teaspoons.
I wanna give our love away. You're not letting me, yeah.
And we're gonna freestyle the eggnog as we should.
Yeah. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I
Alright, so we got our icing ready for our eggnog bread pudding. We're gonna move it on to the next step. We're gonna pour this over top of the bread pudding, then it'll be ready. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, my flavor squad, so we're gonna pour our rum eggnog icing on top of our eggnog bread pudding. Alright, so we got our icing poured over the top of our bread pudding. I'm gonna give y'all the famous close up and let y'all see what it look like. Then after that, it'll be cut, put it on the plate, and we're gonna try it. Our eggnog bread pudding is finished, and we topped it with a rum eggnog icing. I'm gonna give y'all the famous close up so y'all enjoy it. Alright, my flavor squad, so we have our bread pudding that we about to get into. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like. We about to dig in it, put it on the plate, then we're gonna try it. Alright, my flavor squad, so we're gonna jump into the taste test. And Queen gonna give y'all her honest opinion. She gonna let y'all know what she think about our eggnog bread pudding with a rum eggnog icing. You ready?
Okay, y'all. When he told me he was doing this, I was blown back. Y'all know y'all seen the last video. Eggnog is my favorite holiday drink, and bread pudding is one of my favorite holiday, holiday dishes. Let's see what he came up with. Okay, really good. It's moist. You taste the kick from. You put rum in here?
No, rum is.
Yeah. You can taste it's not a lot, but you can taste it. It's like it's the perfect balance. Like if you got like the bourbon taste with it, with that eggnog kick, it's an adult eggnog. There you go. Did you put white chocolate in it? Mm-hmm. I can taste the white chocolate too. It's really good.
I put rum inside the bread pudding and in the icing.
Okay. That's really good. No, it's really good, y'all. If y'all like a regular rum bread pudding, the eggnog just kicks it up a notch. And this is good. Room temperature, hot or cold.
It tastes like a cinnamon bun. A cinnamon roll.
And the white chocolate, it just ties it all in. It's really good.
Why you just looking at it like that?
It's good. He doing a lot of my favorites, so it's good. My expectations be high because this is stuff that I really like.
Alright, y'all. It's really good, y'all. I tried some. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and comment on this video. Also, hype this video up. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Y'all already know the saying. Pops and Queen, we out. Peace.
Bye, y'all.